Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vase and today I am going to review the PS4 Slim vertical stand. So let's begin. So on the front side you have two USB ports and a button to power on and off the cooling fans. On the top side you have two cooling fans to cool the PS4 Slim. These are 60mm cooling fans. On the top you have two charging docks to charge your DualShock 4 controllers for the PS4 Slim or any PS4. The fans on the PS4 Slim are a little bit noisy, but considering that they might increase the lifespan of your PS4 Slim, so I think that's a big exception that can be made for it. Placing the PS4 Slim on the vertical stand is very simple. All you have to do is to place like this, but be careful of the front USB wire. Just make it pass through the cut of the PS4 Slim. This USB cable will power your DualShock 4 controller docks as well as the two fans present on it, and also the USB port front. I should also tell you that there are two LEDs on the USB ports as well for indication. And placing the DualShock is also easy. All you have to do is to place it like this and you're done. On the bottom of the PS4 Slim vertical stand you have a lot of vents to cool your PS4 Slim. Of course the fans are going to need some vents in order to cool the PS4 Slim itself. You also have 4 rubber grips on the bottom, and I should tell you these are really sticky, especially on glass table, so that's good. So guys, this is my review of the PS4 Slim vertical stand. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and see you guys in the next video.